How to fix TikTok live access is needed to go live as a guest problem. So let's get started. First thing first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and simply log into your account. Once logged in, go to the profile and tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen, then tap on settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, scroll down till the bottom and you'll get to see an option as report a problem and tap on it. Once inside the report a problem, you'll get to see live option available there. Tap on it again. Once you tap on the live, a drop down menu will appear. From there, all you have to do is choose the live multi-guest option available there. After you tap on it, you'll get to see various options available. Again, tap on the live as a guest option available. Here you will get to see a paragraph written to resolve your problem. But if this does not help, then tap on the TikTok support option available and write down to the TikTok support that you cannot go live as a guest. So as you can see, TikTok will give you a troubleshoot idea and solutions according to your reason. Simply follow it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.